So this is an online tutorial on the beginnings of chord theory, and this is called Triads. So to make a triad, what we do is we're starting with the C major scale. We're not going all the way up to the top C, but we're starting on the note C. Let me just get this thing working. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And we're not going up to C because if we get to C, it's going to be the same chord. So what a chord is it's more than one note played at the same time. Okay, so if you play two or more notes at the same time, you're forming a chord. A triad, as the name implies, is a chord made of three notes. That's why we have the tri at the beginning of triad. It implies three. So to make these three note chords, we're starting with C major scale, and we just are simply going to put some extra notes in, two more notes, so it's three notes. The way that we do it is we put the note on the same type of line or space of the note before. So this one is a C, it starts on a line. You can see it's on a line. So to build the triad, we put one on a line above it. And that gives us an E above that. Okay, and the next one is going to be on the line above that as well. Okay, a G above it. So now we have what we call C major triad. Alright, so to continue on, we're going to start with D. And D is in a space, it's in a space below the staff, so we're going to put a note in a space above it, and then in the space above that. So we've got an F and an A, so we've got D, F and A. The next note is E, and you'll notice that E is also on a line, and we're going to put a note above it on a line again, and above that on a line again. Okay, so we've got E, G and B. They're all on lines. The next one is F. We're going to put that in a space above it, because F's in a space, and C in a space above that. Okay, F, A, C. And then we have G, it's on a line, so we simply put the next note on a line above that, and a line above that. And A is in a space, so we're going to put a space above, note in the space above, and a note in the space above that. And here as well we've got B, it's on a line, so we put the next note on a line, and the next note above that on a line. So here we have a whole range of chords, all built on the C major scale, and they are all triads. Now, the triads form these chords: C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, and a bit of a funny chord called B half diminished, and that's the symbol for it. Now normally when we talk about chords, what we do is we actually call them by a Roman numeral number. So this one's chord 1, this one will be chord 2, and you'll notice when I get to the minor chords I'm using small Roman numerals as opposed to capital Roman numerals. The capitals are used for the major chords, and you'll remember that the major and the difference between major and minor chords, we say minor chords are sad and major chords are happy. Now, there's no little circle thing for this, so I'm just going to put that there. Okay, so there we have it, chords 1 to 7. Okay, chords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we have C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, and B half diminished. Now, this particular theory works on every major scale. So if you build a triad on any major scale, you will come out with chords that look like this. A chord 1 that's a major, a chord 2 that's a minor, a 3 that's a minor, a 4 that's a major, a 5 that's a major, and 6 that's a minor. And 7 will always be this half diminished chord. And that's it.